My name is Teddy Nabakoza Galiwango, and I'm the Principal Environment Officer in the Kingdom of Buganda. Most are environmental scientists. People in Buganda Kingdom and around local communities have depended on biomass for energy. And this has led to a lot of deforestation, cutting down of trees. This use of charcoal not only destroys the environment, but also has a very severe effect on people's health. With air pollution, they have suffered for generations without knowing what is the actual cause of these constant respiratory diseases. But now that we know that the use of this biomass, the charcoal, firewood is dangerous not only to the environment, but also to us as humans, then we should all agree that it is something we need to focus on and see how to transition. We need these technical people on the ground level. And as the Kingdom of Uganda, we have our structures. We have a well, stable, and efficient structure. From the Saza level, which is the county, sub-county, the Gombolora, the Muluka, the parishes, village, up to the household. So through these structures, if we could build capacity, even with our environmental officers within the kingdom, so that they are the champions within the communities to help these people, first of all, get access to these technologies, understand how to use them, and then educate more about them. I personally have used my matoke very well with the stalks and bananas and put it in the electric pressure cooker, and it turns out just the same way. But even better, the time you need to cook it, this is very fast and efficient compared to putting the charcoal, adding firewood, add komera. No, we call it komera for a very long time. And the the electric pressure cooker gives you that keep warm alternative. So prepare my matoke and then keep it warm. Komera with the electric pressure cooker. So I think that's just amazing. I don't even think, I know. You cook it, you prepare it well, and still turns out the same way. So to Baganda out there, my fellow Bagandans, I need to tell you, the fellow Muganda out there, I need to remind you that you will prepare your matoke very well and it's going to taste just the same way. So to the entire Uganda, I plead with all of you to really give cleaner technologies a chance, not only for ourselves, for our health, but even for the environment, because it's a mutual benefit and something that we need to embrace.